impatient. I need a new room. Everyone has a new room. Naveen, Jade, Sky, and she's only been here for like 2 seconds. Chloe has 2 rooms. Come on. I don't even have a bed anymore. You gave it to Captain Marvel. Okay, Sophie, calm down. I hear you. At this point, I'll take anything. Anything you say? Well, I don't mean anything. I still want it to look nice. And I want to move back in with my sister.
Hey, I didn't agree to that.
We are going to make the sisters a new room by using a few items from previous videos. First things first, we need corner rooms. We are using the basic corner rooms from our YouTube Live Barbie Room Challenge. We make our corner rooms in a standard size, which is a 12 by 15 inch floor. We use this size because they fit easily on cube shelves from Target and IKEA, making them easier to store. We need 1 for each sister. They are opposites, making 2 different sides of the room, giving us a large space to work with. I think I'm actually going to position them long ways so the room is even longer. Cut the ends off of jumbo popsicle sticks, glue them to the floor, staggering them as I go to make a hardwood floor. The popsicle sticks add strength to the foam board, making it more sturdy. Repeat for the other corner room, giving us a large room with no windows. Don't worry, I have a solution for that. Pull the 2 rooms apart and put our doll bay window in the center, giving the sisters a much larger room. But we do have a small gap on the side of the bay window, so I cut a rectangle of foam board and glue it in place. Remove the partial baseboard from the side, add a new one that goes all the way across, making sure to subtract the amount of the baseboard from the joining room. So when they are pushed together, it looks like the baseboards are going all the way around the room. Repeat for the other side to complete the room. Now, let's decorate. We are going to give each girl one of our IKEA-inspired beds. We made these beds in a previous video. They are made of wood, have sheets, pillowcases, and reversible covers with slightly different designs. So each girl can have her own look, but the room still goes together. Since Chloe is a BTS fan, we are going to take the desk out of our BTS room and place it on her side of the room next to the wall. We add the fuzzy stool from their previous room. We also take some of the BTS artwork. I like to use poster putty to put items onto the walls because you never know when you're going to change your mind. Because Chloe loves horses, I got a picture out of a magazine for above the bed. We put a BTS grouping on the side. For a little color, I'm adding a large BTS poster on the wall and a slightly smaller one. Add the magazine holders from our final exam study notes and accessories video, along with the potted plant, light board, and markers. Fill the shelves with books and add our doll laptop. Add a few of our DIY BT21 pillows to the bed for Chloe's side of the room. For Sophie's side of the room, we printed out our doll computer screens, cut them out, glue them onto cardstock, and cut it out to make it stiff. I cut a long 2-inch strip of foam board and glue it to the wall for a floating desk. Put the screens above the desk. Add our printable keyboard, game controllers, books from our doll gamer room. Cut a thin strip of foam board, glue it above the monitors. Display mini toys on the shelf. Add a director's chair from our doll backstage dressing room and Pokemon cards from our doll Pokemon room to give Sophie a place to display her toys and play video games. Add the printable pillow from our doll food pillow video. I printed off pictures from online for posters on the wall. I'm using a Squeezable for a stuffed animal. Wrap LED lights around the top of the bed. Hide the battery pack underneath for a little sparkle. Add the Star Trek pillow from our doll galaxy room to complete Sophie's side of the room. I add items to the center shelves to represent the two sisters. Add one of our ottoman poofs for extra seating to complete the sisters' new room. I really wanted this space to show their different personalities. Chloe's side seems a little more organized, with a lot of soft colors, and I added her paint supplies to show one of her hobbies. And you can definitely see that Chloe likes horses and BTS. The common area was left pretty simple, but you can still see the girls' different personalities on the sides. Sophie's side of the room feels a little more cluttered and has a lot of toys and fandoms. You can see all of the different things that she likes, from spacecrafters to Perry Hopper. We use darker colors and a lot of blue to make a contrast from Chloe. Even though this room is very large, since it is divided into 3 parts, it is easier to store. Thank you for joining us while we made the sisters' new bedroom using our IKEA-inspired beds. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog.
And you're done.
Happy crafting!
To give a shout out to Dance in My Soul 5678. What's up? All right, Sophie, you can come in. Oh, wow! These are all of my favorite things. Spacecrafters, giant screens for playing video games, the limited edition Captain Picard doll that pulled me into another dimension. I'm never leaving this room. What do you think about Chloe's side? Do you think she'll like it? Yeah, it's fine.